For today's video, we take FSD beta version 11.3.6 from Clifton in Cincinnati, near the University of Cincinnati campus, to my gym, Planet Fitness, up the road. So this will be mostly on the interstate, and I will fast forward through most of this. It was really pretty nice drive, just not a lot of events to report. A little bit here and there. For some reason my in-car GoPro microphone failed me. Now coming up here to the entrance ramp onto I-71, and watch what happens here as the car looks like it's going to hit this concrete barrier, this Jersey barrier on the far side here. So it kind of goes straight there. It was kind of scary to me, actually. So going back and looking at this, I can see that the route planner, it just saw that there's a wide lane there, and it was actually just swinging out kind of to get into the middle of the lane. So this is kind of similar to the old behavior that you saw a lot of times. It didn't hug that interior line. Kind of strange. Here it is again at real speed. So comes in, and it actually almost turns to the right here, towards the wall. Anyways, I think it would have been fine. I did not disengage, but it was not a great thing. Oh, and look, here is one of my first subscribers in that Prius. Hey. I'll slow it down as we go into the shopping center where my Planet Fitness gym is. And you'll see from the map here that we're going to go through two intersections, straight through them, and then turn right into the Planet Fitness. For some reason, the map data seems to think at this coming intersection I should be in the right lane, and it starts to initiate a lane change here. It says changing lanes to follow route, and that's just not right. So it was interesting to see what it would have done. In some older versions I did that, and it went on turn right and tried to get into the Planet Fitness from the other side. So I'll go do it again on this version another time, so stay tuned.